Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my daily exercise and this is downward post. I-estimate ko lang ito siya guys kung ano kaya ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, 30 lang ang magagawa ko. When do it 100 counts only for these results. I will see you on the next video.